Welcome to Intuitive Code Tutorials. Today, I am excited to show you where to find our special AI bot trading bundles and best pricing. Log into the app using your account details. Click on the channel plans on the menu. Thereafter, click on the tab, Promotions. We strongly recommend that you take advantage of these special bundles, helping you to get started. Add a membership to your plan for maximum lifetime benefits. Today, more than 98% of users are members, the highest percentage in any industry. Our special bundles are so affordable that we have small investors starting with $50,000 making $250,000 within 2 months. Listen to their interviews. Do you need help choosing your plan? Get in touch with the world's best traders in the app. 24 hours per day, 7 days per week.